Good morning. Mincha today will be at 5:25. There's a late Marv at 8. Tomorrow morning we'll be davening at 6. We're laning tomorrow. Now for a very quick Devar Torah. Bezalel, as we know, was selected to fashion the Kalim, the articles within the Mishkan, the Tabernacle. And the reason he was chosen, the Torah is very specific about this, was he had three qualities. He had wisdom, godly spirit, and knowledge. Okay, we know that he knew how to work with metal. That was a very basic thing. And he was an expert in it. But that wasn't the only qualification. Because you read the Torah, it says first wisdom, then heavenly spirit, and then knowledge. So the knowledge is important, but it's not the main thing. The wisdom and the heavenly spirit is what was far more important to the Torah. And it's a very sad fact that there are a lot of people with a lot of education who will say things that are outrageous. George Orwell once commented concerning communism. He said it was an idea so stupid that only an intellectual would believe it. Which is a basic way of saying that there's a lot of very smart people who will believe very foolish things. We have to remember that Germany was the best educated country in Europe in the 1920s, 100% literacy rate. Most PhDs of any country almost in the world. So that tells us that knowledge in of itself is not enough. If you're working to build the Kalim for the Beit HaMikdash, for the Mishkan, you need something far more important than just the knowledge. You have to have the wisdom to know what you're doing, and you have to have the spirit of Hashem within you to make it so it'll be used properly. And that's why Bezalel was chosen. Something for us to think about. Kaddish Rabbanan.